Empleyado ka ba na kulang ang kinikita, nawalan or nangangamba na mawawalan ng trabaho? Now it's time for you to reconsider na magkaroon ng online business. By the way, my name is Zelma at may gusto akong i-share sa'yo na 100% na online business na pwede mo ring pagkakitaan. At ang maganda sa online business na ito, copy-paste lang ang gagawin mo. And the good news is, kikita ka dito ng potential 20,000 to 50,000 a month. Alright? You know, I'm very excited to share this business with you. Now, ang gagawin mo lang, mag-comment ka ng how para malaman mo kung paano ka magkaroon at connected sa sistema namin at kung paano mo malaman magkaroon ng account ID. See ya!